ba? O kapag nanonood ka ng K-drama, alam mo siya.
Ayun, te, favorite.
Gusto niyo yun? Gusto daw nila yun. And wala nang ano. Meron dito eh. May makaka-review agad nito kapag nakikita. So, clue. Marami siyang vegetables. Colorful. Chapsuy na! Sino dito nakanood ng may drama na may chapsuy? Meron bang guess? Lumpia. Ano guys? Ito, clue. Baka mag-gets nyo na. Meron siyang sweet potato noodles or glass noodles. Yes.
Ano yung lala?
Yeah, japchae. Congrats. Okay, so how do you make japchae? This one, there are a lot of versions also. So may mga versions na you actually stir fry or saute the noodles with the seasoning. Meron rin parang salad yung dating. But personally, I grew up watching Bangchi. Do you know Bangchi? Bangchi, yes. So, kung hindi nyo natatanong, how I learned how to cook is, I didn't go to culinary school. I'm very much a self-taught cook. So, what does it mean to be self-taught? Ibig sabihin, pag wala akong ginagawa or ang pastime ko is really just learning how to cook. And how I do that is by reading blogs, watching educational videos. Ang cartoon ko ay Food Network. And sa Korean food, one of my references is Bangchi. So, isa siyang Korean grandma cooking on YouTube. And that's how I learned how to make this. Even she has a lot of different versions of this. But we'll do the classic one. So, ito yung pinaka-old na recipe. So, we're just gonna use a lot of different vegetables that's gonna provide us a good color. So, let's start with the white ones. So, this is mushrooms. You can use any type of mushrooms. This is, you can use either white button, shiitake. So, yeah, na-chop na natin in advance. Cut it thinly. And then, gusto din natin ng onions. So, get white onions. How to chop an onion is one of the first things you will learn when you're trying to cook more. So, kailangan mo natin lahat ito. Try natin half, okay? So, ang gusto natin dito sa white onions, julienne, or parang matchsticks lang. Okay. So, we cut the root off. Then, dito tayo sa size of the cut, okay? So, ang important lang naman when you're cooking is that pantay-pantay yung slices. Kung lahat sila manipis, okay lang. Kung lahat sila makapal, okay lang. Basta pantay-pantay sila. Kasi bakit pa kailangan uniform ang cuts ng vegetables or anything when you cook? Para pag luluto mo, sabay-sabay sila maluluto. Yun lang naman yun, okay? So, those are our white vegetables. Let's do orange. So, we have here carrot. Ang tip ko kapag nagsislice kayo ng carrot or anything hard is to make flat surfaces. Yes, flat surfaces with your vegetable para hindi siya maugaw-gaw. Kasi, mahirap ito. Okay? So, I'm doing this. Then, same size lang as the onions. Actually, same size, same thickness. Okay? We also have here spinach. So, itong spinach na to, kailangan natin siyang i-boil. Okay? So, we have here boiling water. One thing I like to do when I'm cooking, kasi tamad ako maghugas guys. So, as much as possible, less pots, less pans, less hugasin. So, we're gonna boil this water. Dito na tayo magluluto ng noodles natin. And spinach, okay? So, find this Korean glass noodle. This is made with sweet potato, okay? Luto tayo ng half of the package. And how you cook this is kind of like vermicelli, para siyang sotang. So, saglit lang siya iluto, and then afterwards, minsan kailangan mo siyang ibabad or padaanan sa malamig na tubig para hindi siya mag-clump up or mag-tubig. So, gusto ko hintayin doon na mag-rolling boil, so let me wait for that. What else? What vegetables do we want? The beautiful ones, the Korean paprika. So, gusto ko lahat ng color meron. So, let's do yellow. Cut it like so. Isa sa mga favorite banchan. But side dishes natin sa mga sabyok yun. But it's really, para sa akin na ang love language ay food. Kapag nagluluto ako nito sa bahay, tuwang-tuwa yung mother ko kasi mararamdaman mo yung effort into the aesthetic of the dish and also the taste. Kasi you're gonna see later na per color natin siya i-review. Okay? So, orange. Kahit may carrot tayo, gusto ko may onti tayo pera carrot. Yes. And guys, hindi ko pa ata na-mention, but one of the best things about this paprika is actually, you know how we would have yung paprika or bell pepper sa palengke na malinipis or maliliit? Parang gano'n siya katagal bago siya mapanot sa, mapanat, or masira siya rin. I would say around 7 days bago siya magkulubot. But, you'd be surprised, this can actually last you 30 days. And I have a friend na tinry niya, plastic wrap, then wrap in paper, put in the fridge, tumagal 3 months. And that is revolutionary because mahilig ako mag-stock ng mga bagay sa akin. Kasi kapag may idea ako na 2 a.m., parang gusto ko ng jump share. Bababa ako sa rin, gusto ko magluto nun. But with vegetables na madali masira, mahirap siyang stock. But this one really solves that problem because I can keep it and it will last in the fridge for a month or more. Yes. And basically, that really has to do with this. So, I'm not gonna be very technical about this, but alam niyo yung sa saging, para mas mapatagal yung buhay ng saging, yung dulo na, kailangan nyo lang siyang takpan. Tama? Yes. Kaya sa grocery, makikita nyo, yung iba, para mas magtagal sa shelf, tinatakpan nila yung dulo ng saging. So, it's the same mechanism with this. The stronger this stem is, the longer this will last. So, that's one tip kapag bumili kayo ng bell pepper. And dito, kita nyo naman, like, super sturdy, super firm, super thick. So, this is gonna last you a long time. Ayan. So, what else? Okay, so let's also add protein to our japchae. I'm gonna use beef. This is beef. Now we're gonna marinate. Let me get some seasonings. Let's add soy sauce, brown sugar. Do I have brown sugar? Okay. Brown sugar, maybe sesame oil. Di ba parang nag-experiment dito sa dito? Okay, so soy sauce. Hindi na natin siya lalagyan ng salt. Ito na yung pinakamaging seasoning niya. Sesame oil. Let me also add garlic. I'll grate this para mas madali natin makuha yung flavor in a shorter period of time. And brown sugar. So you can use honey, but brown sugar more accessible to us, right? Then let me just mix this. Para habang niluluto natin yung noodles, we can expect na ma-sip din na yung flavors nito dun sa beef. Okay? Okay, so we set that aside. Then we can start cooking the vegetables. Okay? So multitasking tayo dito. This is actually how you save time in the kitchen. Is by doing tasks simultaneously. Kunyari, habang nakuboil yung last noodles, nagigisa rin kayo ng vegetables. Hindi pa rin mahaba yung noodles ko. Nakuboil yan ng glass. Okay, so let's start. Actually, Chinese to ano eh. Ano ba ito? Wi-Fi. Ayun. Okay. Mainit kasi yung water eh. Okay. So, let's heat this up. Kaya gusto natin siyang mas stir-fry. So, when you're stir-frying, one of the things you want to do is to have really high heat because it will, kapag kayong, patagalogin ko na, pagka nilapag niyo yung vegetables dun sa pan, at super hot yung pan, yung water na nasa walls nitong vegetable, mag-evaporate sila. And you'll actually achieve browning. Or magkakaroon siya ng char, or matutusta siya. Kasi itong gulay natin, hindi man halata, marami siyang tubig. Okay? And kaya sa mga Chinese restaurants, they always cook in high heat para mas mag-brown. Kasi nandun yung flavor. So, sasagad ko itong init, then mag-iisa tayo. Okay? This is just cooking oil, neutral. You can use sesame oil, but the thing is, there are two types of sesame oil. And may isang type na mas mahal siya doon, na hindi siya pwedeng gamitin sa heat. So, meron din isang type na pwede mo siyang ibang prito, but that's very difficult to find. So, gagamit tayo cooking oil lang. And by neutral oil, I mean wala siyang lasa. Hindi niya babaguhin yung lasa ng pagkain na piniprito natin. Kasi may mga oils na, ano yung olive oil? It's olive oil na extra virgin or virgin olive oil. You shouldn't actually be cooking with those or frying with those kasi meron siyang mababa na smoke point. Ang ibig sabihin lang doon, mas madali siyang masunog. Okay? And meron siyang lasa. Yung mga lasa na yun, kapag nasunog siya, hindi na siya masarap. So, hindi dapat natin siya ginagamit sa pagluluto na mataas yung temperature. May other type of olive oil, pomace. Yun. Pomace, canola oil, vegetable oil, palm oil. Yung mga pinapiprito natin, yun, pwede yung gagawin dito. Okay? So, one sign na mainit na to is pag nagsusmoke na siya. So, let me do this. Ayun, okay. So, saute lang natin ito until mag-brown. Medyo nahihirapan pa siya, but kaya na yun. Okay, so while we're waiting, guys, I'll entertain some questions. Anything, guys? Questions? Yes, po. Oh, yeah. So, question here is, nakita niya raw na nag-aral na ako sa Thailand na cooking. So, I went to, I think, Siam East Cooking School. Later, after the demo, I can show you. Yeah. But, yeah, so since we're talking about it, to let you know more about me, one of the things I really like to do when traveling is actually immersing in the local shops, groceries, and cooking their dishes. So, one time pumunta ako sa Thailand, ang sadya ko talaga doon is gusto ko maghanap ng culinary class. Something that will teach me how they really cook and how they understand their flavors. And masaya siya, guys. It's really one of the best things you can do. I highly recommend it. Okay. Pwede na ata ito. Let's boil our noodles. Medyo matagal siya, ha? Bigyan pa natin ang oil. Okay. So, more questions? Yes. Questions? Single daw pa ako. Double. Char! Uy! Manager ko. Single daw siya. Trabaho lang po siya. Any questions about food? Bakit daw mushrooms yung nauna? Well, pwede naman kahit ano, kasi we'll cook each separately. But, gusto ko lang na ma-focusan tong mushroom kasi I really want to brown. So, kuha tayo ng dish para makita niyo yung arrangement of our vegetables. So, I think this is doing good. Like, see, nag-brown na siya. But I want more. Mas maganda sana kung ano we cook by fire. Para mas even yung heat. Ayan. So, hindi ko na-check yung yung peanut sauce, but... Okay, tinay yun.
Thank you.
Question, yes. Kapag gagawin mo siyang vegan, okay. So, if you want to make your japchae vegan, basically, meat lang naman dito is the beef. You can totally skip this, or you can use tofu or any alternative. But basically, kung wala ito, kung walang beef, it's vegan already. How'd you like the rolls? Good? What do you think about the flavors no paprika? Yes, naman yun, yes. Oh, yeah. So sabi niya kina-compliment daw ng paprika yung pagka-rich ng peanut butter, yes. So the peanut sauce is actually one of my favorite ones to dip that in kasi the salad or the roll itself is very light, no? And we want to have a balanced bite. So gusto ko nalagyan siya ng konting richness or fat, so that's the peanut butter. Okay, so pwede na to? Masaya na ako dito. So that's one. Set it aside. Now, ito namang onions. Okay. And then, this is boiling. Lagyan ko natin dito yung noodles natin. This will cook for 5 minutes. Pero, personally, kapag nagluluto ko ng pasta or anything noodles, wala akong tiwala sa packaging. So, tinitikman ko siya by itself kasi gusto ko preference. So, this 5 minutes, then we'll continue stir-frying our vegetables. Good? So, for example, green peas or green onions, this is something I learned in school na may stages sila when cooked. Parang iba-iba yung klase ng gases or chemicals na release within the vegetable. Kapag naluto sila under a minute, over a minute. So, we're gonna add, thanks for reminding me, we're gonna add green onions. Okay. Okay, so now we're just waiting. Again, thank you so much guys for being here and spending your Sunday night with me. I hope na tumakay sa mga natikpan nyo so far. We have one last dish, which is, I think, yung pinaka-bongga. Paprika, so sabay-sabay sila maluluto. Okay. And let me season this also with salted salt. So far guys, what's your favorite recipe for the day? The burger. Siyempre, nakasolo ni Sir Arthur yung burger kanina. Alam mo, favorite mo yun? Lumpia. Lumpia ako.
Hindi namin natikman yung burger.
Magkasama po ba kayo?
Kami.
Kayo magkasama. Sabi ko sa Arthur, sabi ko, binigyan ni Sir Arthur. Pero anong favorite na na-try mo today? Yung peanut butter? Yun diba Ano ba? Kayo, may natimba na ba kayo? Smoothie. Okay kayo. What's your favorite? Kasi yun lang kaya natikman nila. Smoothie din, okay po.
5 kids. 5 kids.
Yeah, kahit kids, yeah. Tsaka, dun po talaga mababasag yung idea na it's spicy, savory. Kasi malalasahan ko na is parang fruity, sometimes a little herb. So, yan, sa alangan natin, all 3 colors. I'll season this with salt as well. Then, ito, hindi natin tinagara sa ating but this is how I cook my noodles. Titigman ko yung isang stir.
Ah.
Nagkakamali ako. Hindi ako siya ang
May oil, may pa.
Yun nga din itatanong ko eh. Yun din itatanong ko.
Another...
Natanong ko nga din sana kung may oil.
When it comes to cooking pasta is daw ilagay daw ng oil with water boiling pasta. That's actually not true.
Ah.
Adding oil will actually prevent your noodles or pasta to absorb the sauce. Kasi di ba yung oil at water hindi sila nag-absorb. So kapag yung pasta or yung noodles nyo,
So, mali pala yun.
absorb yung sauce. People add oil to prevent it from sticking.
Ah.
But actually, the only thing you have to do to prevent pasta or noodles from sticking, ganito kasi yan, pag bumili tayo ng pasta sa market, ano siya, may starch, parang siya, may pulbos, may starch siya sa labas. So kapag dinrap mo siya sa water, yung mga pulbos na nasa surface ng pasta, kakawala siya doon sa pasta. So, kapag hindi mo hinalo yung pasta agad, yung starch na yun, magkukumpul-kumpul sa kanila. So actually, ang kailangan mo lang talaga gawin is the first thing you do, drop your pasta into the water, tapos mix mo siya. That's it. It won't stick together. Ibang usapan naman yung kapag mamaya mo pa siya kakainin. Kasi pagka, kunyari catering or kapag may okasyon, tapos magluluto tayo ng pasta from scratch, ilalagyan nila ng oil kapag luto na para hindi magdidikit. Pwede naman gawin is banlian mo siya ng tubig bago mo siya steam. Yeah, gano'n lang siya. But oil really I don't recommend. Kasi maliban sa hindi niya ma-absorb yung noodles yung fish, may fish yung sauce, mag-test up siya with the flavors of the sauce. Another thing we have to do is to make the sauce for this pizza. So, gawin natin yung seasoning ng ating japchae. Basically, it's just soy sauce, brown sugar, and minced garlic. So very simple lang. This is again very simple thing the japchae. Let's use a grater as well.
Actually, that's my favorite Korean food. The japchae. Yeah.
Yung garlic pieces natin is mas madali siya ma-absorb. Or mas madali ma-extract ang flavor. Yeah. Then, ginagawa ko ito separately from the noodles kasi pwede natin siyang add little by little later. Okay? Let's check on our paprika. Okay. Use a little more.
Guys, makalubos na. Baka mag-close.
What do you think?
Sunday kasi pagkatapos nito.
Alas na.
Pagkatapos nito.
Japchae. Japchae?
We're just waiting on this to cook. Do we have questions? Anything about the dish we make or about me? About me? Yes. Or what? Yes. Okay, so I still hope you're enjoying. And again, sa mga bagong dating, welcome to our Korean Fresh Paprika Festival here in Landmark Valley. If again you think you're convinced to try all these dishes at home, It's available here for sale here in Denmark this month. Yeah. Question. One of the top dishes that I like to cook. Gusto ko maging sophisticated yung sagot ko, pero lagi kasing fried chicken. Or as we call it in Korea, chicken. Sarap niya kasi. But, so any type of chicken, Korean style, American style, hindi kasi talaga ako nagsasawa sa kanya. Try natin next time, paprika chicken. Thank you for that question. So, I think this is good. This will still have a little crunch. But we have a few left. Let's also stir fry our greens. Yes. Ito na. So, ito na yung noodles natin. So, ito natin siya. Pinadaanan natin siya ng cold water para hindi siya magtikit-tikit. Nice. Then, sorry. Let's have water boiling. Sorry, nakalimutan ko na set aside for the spinach. How are you guys doing? Doing good? Yes? Busog pa rin kayo? Or excited na dito?
Excited na dyan.
Ito ba yung inaalakan nyo?
Oh, favorite ko yan eh. Favorite.
Japchae.
You love japchae? Do you cook this at home? No. Sa restaurants? Yeah. Ang galing, no? Parang
Sa Boncho.
alam na natin yung mga tawag sa Korean dishes nito. Because of the K-wave. So, Korean drama, dami ng something places here in the Philippines. Alam na natin yung mga banshan, yung favorite kind of side dishes. So, here's a
Buddha jjigae.
kimchi jjigae.
Buddha. Buddha? Buddha jjigae. Buddha jjigae.
Sige
Yun.
na, flex na tayo ng ano.
Yun, ginagawa ko yun.
Korean dishes. Okay, Korean dishes. Kimchi jjigae.
Yeah.
Sabaw. Gusto
Sabaw.
natin sabaw na maanghang na nakakatanggal ng sibon. Kayo mo, favorite Korean dish? Korean sinigang? I bet sinigang na may kimchi yan. Okay, so while we're waiting on that, pwede na rin natin i-stir fry ito.
Ayun.
Wow. So, ang ginamit ko dito na meat ay
May naiwan pa, Misabi. May naiwan pa.
May naiwan pa? Salamat po.
Sayang eh.
Ano masasabi mo? Okay siya, di ba?
Beef sirloin here. Ayun. And now, actually, pwede na natin timplahin itong noodles. So, we'll just add itong prepared. So, it's very simple. And season this to our liking. Okay?
Paano ba yung pag-ano sis?
Ano po? So, yung grated garlic.
Wala nang iba.
Ooh.
Pepper.
And another thing you would want to do, or I advise you to do, kasi Korean glass noodles, sobrang haba niya. Okay? So, get a pair of scissors, and then trim, or cut nyo siya into small pieces. Okay. At gusto ba rin? Meron na tayong water. Okay. Ayan. Mix natin ito. Then, ito na. Tigit-tigit na to. Kung tama lang ba yung timpla for us, for our preference. So, this more. Yes. Ayan.
Yung ano mo, dito na.
So, our base is already
Toyo at garlic.
Yung sesame.
Oo. Parang may,
Pang-grate nila, no?
parang may sesame oil.
Sa garlic.
Garlic, di ba? Hindi yung panchis, ano?
Vegetables. Vegetables, pwede na natin itong ilagay.
Yun, ganun lang pa.
Beautiful.
So, sineperate niya ng luto.
Hindi ko alam kung mahintay pa natin yung spinach. Nauna na itong ano. Huwag na natin hintayin. So ito yung way, it is one of the ways to do it. But again, meron mga versions na you have to stir fry everything in a pan. But I find that this way, you run mo yung noodles into cold water and just mixing together everything like a salad. Ito yung nagtatagal na buhag-hag pa rin yung noodles kahit matagal. So, para siyang sotanghon. Naranasan niyo ba magluto ng sotanghon na may sabaw? Tapos pag may natira sa pot, mamaya tuyo na. Kasi na-absorb na siya lahat ng noodles. Or ilang cup together na siya. So, gusto ko ng shine. So, I'll put a bit of sesame oil. And ready now. Yes. Okay. So, kung make sure na masarap ko, so I will again try. Wala kasi akong pinudol guys eh. You know what? So, ganun siya. Ganito lang ako mag-tuto guys. Kaya kapag nangihingi kayo ng recipe sa akin sa TikTok, kaya mo na yan! Kaya mo na yan! Kakakalangin! Yes! And then, finally, garnish natin siya with, hindi ko pa yung sesame.
Okay.
Bigyan natin siya ng toasted sesame seeds. So, we'll use that also as garnish later, but gusto ko maglagay ng water para may kagat. And kamustahin natin itong beef. Kung okay naman siya, ayoko na siyang i-overcook. So the tip is, kapag magluto ka ng karne, you really want the heat to be really, really high. Kasi nga you want to brown. So, beautiful. So just mix it all together.
Para na siya pancit eh.
Opa.
Na magkakabuod yung pagkakagisa ng gulay.
And then, pwede natin i-plate. Okay, so for plating, usually it's just a big plate. Make sure natin na lahat ng colors dito. Pinaghirapan natin yan. Ang ganda ng color, guys. See, there's vibrant yellow, orange, red. Complete sa sustansya. Sino ba kaya mag-ina? Habang noodles,
Miss Abby, paano mga ulit ginawa yung toyo? Toyo,
alin po?
yung sauce, seasoning.
Soy sauce, brown sugar or honey, and minced garlic.
Okay. Thank you.
Hindi ko na makakabay.
Honey, or minced garlic. Yan lang po.
Toasted sesame seeds. Yeah! And that is it!
Yay!
At tagal natin naghintay para dun sa judge. So, alam ko, ready na tayo kainain lahat. So again, with all the range of recipes we did today, dito talaga natin yung different ways to use this beautiful Korean paprika in our everyday dishes or everyday drinks. Yes. So we can really reap the benefits of higher vitamin C,
Mushroom, nakahalo na po.
lycopene ingredients, stress relief benefits from the yellow paprika.
Nakahalo na.
It's a good alternative for a low-calorie snack, but you really get good nutrition from it. And ayun nga, nakita naman natin kami nag-enjoy ang mga tao sa mga kinain nila. So, finally, delicious. Yes. Okay, so can't wait for you to try. Gusto ko yung tikman. Gusto ko siyang i-feel. Gusto siya ma-feel eh. Nice. Ayan, so thank you again guys for sticking. Tagal nyo nakatayo. Thank you so much. I hope you really enjoy the demo. I hope you
Yes.
And again, thank you so much. Hope you will enjoy the Korean paprika that you got today. Yes.
Thank you.
Medyo nagkulang sa brown sugar. Really should be a little more sweeter. Kainin ko dito, di ba?